Hi, I'm Scott Kuboff, a dental malpractice attorney with the law firm of Ibold and O'Brien. I help my clients receive fair and just compensation for their injuries. I wanted to follow up on my recent video about the statute of limitations on dental malpractice claims and talk about 180-day letters. It's something that lawyers use from time to time to extend the statute of limitations. So just as a quick recap, in Ohio, the statute for medical and dental claims is 1 year. It's incredibly short, and I encourage you to take a look at my prior video to learn a little bit more about the statute of limitations. But you can extend that by serving the dentist or medical provider or medical group or facility with a letter stating that you're considering bringing a legal action against them for their negligence. Now, the specific language required in that letter is pretty specific, and it goes beyond the scope of this video, so you certainly need to reach out to a lawyer to have one served for you. Also, the service requirement is pretty strict, so it's best to have a lawyer do it. And to serve them with a 180-day letter, it has to be done by certified mail, return receipt requested. So that's the little green cards. You got to make sure that it's served and that it's received. Of course, it goes without saying that you have to serve them before the expiration of the statute of limitations. Otherwise, your claim's barred. But assuming that you get successful service, you would then have 180 days after the date of service to file your lawsuit. It's not extending the statute of limitations by 180 days, instead giving you an additional 180 days after service. So again, you have to serve them before the statute of limitations expires, otherwise your claim is barred. But once service is made, 180 days after the date that they receive the letter is the date that you would have to file a lawsuit. Of course, if you don't serve them with 180-day letters prior to the expiration of the statute of limitations, you absolutely have to file your case, otherwise your claim is barred. You know, as you can kind of sense from this video, sending a 180-day letter is really fraught with peril, and I certainly don't recommend doing it unless it's 100% absolutely necessary. If you could file your lawsuit timely within the 1 year, absolutely do it. It's the best thing to do. Sometimes, however, additional time is needed to investigate the claim and ensure that there's a good faith basis to file a lawsuit. In that case, having a lawyer send and serve a 180-day letter may be your only option. Well, if you have questions about a dental claim, about the statute of limitations or 180-day letters, by all means, feel free to reach out. You can call me, 440-285-3511, or feel free to send me an email to scott@iboldobrien.com.